Valentine's Day looked a little different in our homeschool this year, and honestly, I wasn't sure how it was going to turn out. Instead of crafts and heart-shaped worksheets, my girls decided to run their own Valentine's Day cookie bake sale, completely from start to finish. I'll be honest, I had one big question in the back of my mind. Would anyone actually order? I wasn't sure how many people would want Valentine's Day cookies, but we went ahead anyway and trusted God. And we were blown away by the number of orders we got. You are seeing the finished cookies here, but behind every cookie was measuring, recalculating, and double checking. Even though they didn't open their math workbooks that day, they were doing a lot of math.
Sugar is let's see. The white sugar is 145. So 145 plus 145 is 145 plus 145 is David.
2.5 plus 2.5 equals 5.
Math.
Whoa!
That's your math for today.
4 equals 5. 5.
So I don't have to do any math today.
1 plus 209.
The kids teamed up to double check each other's measurements because once the butter and sugar are in, there is no undo button. The oldest started creaming the butter first, and then her sister helped her by bringing in the cracked eggs. Wet ingredients go first. This job requires all the hands, so everyone had to help with mixing the cookie dough. Can you tell us in the comment section below what your favorite cookie is? We would love to know. Once the wet ingredients are mixed together, then it is time to sift the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients. We sift the dry ingredients because we want the dry ingredients to be evenly distributed into the dough, and also we want to prevent lumps from forming in the cookie dough. She used a spatula to gently fold the flour in so the dough wouldn't be overmixed. That's the kind of detail that separates homemade for fun from made for customers. They had a lot of fun baking cookies for Valentine's Day, and it was a bonding time for all of them. I took out a small portion of the cookie dough so that they could add sprinkles to the rest for their funfetti cookies. Arms got tired, focus started fading, and this is the part no one talks about when kids start a business. Consistency when you're tired. This is where most people quit. We didn't have that option, so I had to step in to help finish the oatmeal, raisin, and coconut cookie batch. My son even jumped in to help me mix the cookie dough, and he did such a great job sifting the flour while I added the raisins and the coconut. This batch was huge. This is one of the favorite cookies that people order from Bakes and Nobles. This batch was too heavy for my son to mix, so I eventually had to take over. Because when orders are due, quitting isn't an option. And just when we thought the hard part was over, we remembered we still have baking day. Once the dough was finished, we packed all the different flavors into different Ziploc bags and placed them in the refrigerator until the next day. Let me tell you, the kitchen looked like a bakery exploded. Everyone was exhausted, but we weren't done yet. I was left to clean up the mess.
And the cookies we have here are chocolate chip cookies, sugar cookies, oatmeal raisin cookies, and strawberry cookies.
The next day was baking day, and we started by wiping down the tables like we always do. Their gloves went on.
I want to do the chocolate chip cookie.
Okay.
I want to do the strawberry delight.
My husband gave them kisses before he left for the day, while they were deciding which cookies they want to bake. And then I helped some of them put on their aprons before we started.
Hello everyone, this is Bakes and Nobles from the Noble Homeschool, and today we are going to be baking the cookies that we made yesterday.
Except if you want to sit there, then Bear can switch and come up and
But I want to use this pen.
it's okay. Just switch.
Hey,
Bear can
Look.
Most times disagreements arise among kids, especially when they are doing something that they love. But they will have to figure out how to solve the issue so that they can get back on what their goal is. It was time to weigh the cookie dough, and each cookie had to be exactly 2.7 ounces and not less. Because when customers pay, consistency matters. And here's what surprised them. A few cookies were underweight, which meant we had to stop and fix it. Once the trays were filled, it was time for the oven. Tray after tray went in, and the house started smelling like a full bakery. We set the oven timer and waited for the cookies to be done. And after they were done, I helped to bring the baked cookies out of the oven. They smelled so delicious. Tray after tray went into the oven until all the cookies were baked.
little left, wait. Something's
Okay,
missing.
I'm measuring.
What?
Can I measure? How much is that?
Little left, hurry up,
2.2.
please let us know. This one
I've only
is
had
too
more. I've only
small.
had 3.
This one is
It's 12,
just
everyone.
right.
It took us almost the entire day to bake all these cookies. They were delicious. The kids did such an amazing job. I was super proud of them. Then it was time to package and label the cookies. And each cookie was carefully wrapped in bubble packaging so that it wouldn't break during shipping. Everyone worked hard to package the cookies and to box them for shipping. My husband is the one responsible for carefully packing all the cookies into their boxes. The kids write cute thank you notes and also add a wristband into each box.
Nico.
Every customer was satisfied and the reviews were incredible. Please kindly subscribe. Bye.